This peatland restoration site is located on the beautiful Coigach Peninsula. We're standing here on the coast looking out over the Summer Isles towards Lewis and Harris in the distance.
Scottish Wildlife Trust took on Ben Mor Coigach back in 1998. It's 6,000 hectares and it's a crofting estate. It's a key part of the Scottish Wildlife Trust's efforts to deliver our vision of a network of healthy and resilient ecosystems for wildlife and people.
The peatland restoration site here is located very close to local communities, and the area is used as common grazing.
We have seen a decline in the amount of sheep put on the common grazing over the last 50 years. So the grazing impact is a lot less. But even so, you'll see degradation all around us of the peat.
Work started in October 2024 and it's due to finish in February 2025. And when it has completed, around 136 hectares will have been restored. The area here had quite a lot of hags and gullies, which were actively eroding and speeding the flow of water off the hill. As well as being common grazing, the area here supplies raw drinking water for the communities, which are located very close to the peatland restoration site.
Scottish Water have said to me that it costs about £50,000 to replace all the filters in their new treatment plant at the bottom of the hill. And a lot of that is down to the peat sediment within the water. By retaining all the water through the peatland restoration, Scottish Water, I think, are going to see a vast improvement in the quality of the water that they are then asked to filter.
Peat downs have been put in and have instantly created really lovely bog pools, which is great, in terms of reducing emissions, but also in terms of habitat creation as well. So it's a really positive experience, and it's incredible to see the low impact and the instantaneous positive results that come from the work.
One of my duties in the community is to look after the hydroelectric scheme, which gets its water supply from this peatland area. Fairly often we get blocks of peat come down and they block the compensation slot. And the function of the compensation slot is to keep water flowing in the burn. The peatland restoration should minimise that occurrence.
Peatland restoration work has been a positive impact on my business, as I'm quite a new company, new business. I've only started off in the last couple of years. A great stepping stone for me personally.
This particular project, I think it really shows what can be achieved when landowners and crofting communities work together and deliver amazing results on the ground.
It was Peatland ACTION who have funded it. Been really good working with them.